Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the time on Directv. First, press menu on the Directv remote and navigate to settings, then preferences and select time and date. Make sure to choose the correct time zone for your location so that all recordings and guide schedules are accurate. Next, check that automatic time or auto sync is turned on. This settings allows Directv to update the time automatically based on your location, preventing any mismatches in your program schedule. After that, unplug your Directv box and wait for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple restart helps refresh the system and ensures that any new settings or updates take effect properly. Also, make sure your receiver has a strong satellite signal or an active internet connection. A good signal is essential for the box to synchronize the time correctly and to avoid any interruptions in service. Finally, go to Settings, then System, and check for updates. Install any available updates, as having the latest software can fix time-related glitches and improve the overall performance of your Directv box. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.